Mary, today is Lucas's birthday. The manager wants us to sing happy birthday to him at the table.
Oh no, in front of all the customers?
Yes, at 7 p.m., the whole team sings together.
John, I can't sing. I really can't.
Me too. My voice is terrible. What do? We can't say no to the manager.
Maybe we sing very quietly?
Or maybe we just move our mouths?
Mary, that is not professional.
You're right. Okay, let's do it. We bring the cake, we smile, we sing fast.
Fast. Yes, very fast.
Ready? Lucas is at table 5.
Wait, I'm so nervous. My hands are shaking.
It's okay. Everyone feels this, even the chef.
Really?
Yes, he sings every week. He still gets nervous.
Okay, that helps. Let's go.
Big smile. Here we go.
Happy birthday to you.
See? Not so bad.
It's over. That was fast.
Lucas is smiling. Good job, Mary.
Next time, I bring earplugs.
Me too.